Hey everybody, welcome to Bonita Boat Center. I tell you, when you see this boat, this just screams the legend of Fountain. This is the 34 SC/LS. I tell you, this boat's got it all. Number one thing I want to tell you about this boat, this is the signature Reggie Fountain boat. Look at the boat. I tell you, look at the hull of this boat. I got chill bumps, folks, talking about this boat. This is what Reggie Fountain did to make this boat go 76 miles an hour. Started out in his garage, wooden boats, fiberglass boats, racing with mercury. I tell you, this boat screams excellence, durability, and a great time on the water. This specific boat is equipped with Trip Merc 400s. The boat has a 418 gallon fuel cell. At 40 mile an hour, it has a 537 mile range at 40 miles an hour. The top speed on the boat, 76 miles an hour. But you know what? When Reggie designed these boats, they're designed to go fast, but they also are designed to cruise at a nice speed when you're out there with the family. Come on around here, Nick, and look at these 400 Reversos. I tell you what, I had to do the math on that. 1,200 ponies back here, folks, right? The cool thing about this boat, you can be running wide open throttle, and it is so quiet, we can have a conversation just like you and I are right now. You and I are right now. I tell you, Nick, let's jump up on the boat and see some of the features and benefits of this 34 Fountain. All right, folks, welcome to the bow of the 34 Fountain. Again, I can't say it enough. The signature footprint of Reggie Fountain. We are on this boat right now, folks. You know what? The versatility of this boat never ceases to amaze me. So when you come up to the bow, you have the windlass anchor. Easy access to the windlass. The one thing that I like about this, they did a remote control so you're not leaning over. You know, again, utilization of space and engineering on just putting the remote up here so you can actually stand back and operate the windlass. I tell you guys, I love this application of this boat. And I will say, again, utilization of space. They made a whole cooler right here that's insulated. You can use it for storage, you can use it for beverages, sandwiches, just a really great spot to put a cooler, because usually this is just open here, guys. I really love that. Again, attention to detail. If you see right here, you have these grab rails all the way around the boat. I love the grab rails. Whether you're sitting down or you're maneuvering around the boat, just a great little accent to everything going on. And if you look at the detail in this upholstery, Fountain has several different stages of this. You can see the piping, you can see the stitching. I tell you guys, you want to talk about customizing a boat? Fountain has got it dialed in to whatever your palate desires. I love that. You've got storage on both sides. You also have another big storage compartment right here. And it also doubles as a cooler. Again, utilization of space. I tell you, engineers at Fountain, they got it going on. Another plush seating area on this 34 is these front loungers. I tell you, you know, they thought about everything. They have the armrests on the inside, on the outside, cup holders here. This actually pops open. This is extra storage down in here. Guys, all of this stuff is taking place right now, and we haven't even left the bow of the boat. Nick, let's take a little look right here at the head area of this. And you want to talk about the grab rails. If you notice, watch how easy it is to get right into the boat here, into the head area. Come right in, you got the grab rails right there. Fully operational head, macerator with overboard discharge. Your main panel for all your battery switches, on and off keys. And I tell you, when it comes down to getting easy access, you've got your chargers, you've got your batteries right down in here. I tell you guys, again, great utilization of space by Fountain. I really love this head area. And you know, people think of the head as just being a bathroom. On this boat, this has a lot to do with all of the operations of the boat. I tell you what, Nick, let's go check out the helm. All right, welcome to the helm. Well, I tell you what, this is where the excitement starts on this boat. I know we've looked at a couple other things on the boat. Look at the helm area on this boat. I'm gonna start off with some simple things that mean a lot to boaters. Just as simple as having a little bit of a lockable storage right here. You get to your spot, restaurant, put your keys, things in here, lockable. Got them on both sides here. I tell you what, again, utilization of space. I love this aspect. Love the leather finish right here. Fountain logo up top that's got the decking matting on it. Again, everything, attention to detail. Now let's talk about the motors. Trip Mark 400 Veratos, DTS, digital throttle system. Everything is right here at your fingertips. These things have so many options. You can do a single lever, you have sky hook, you have joystick capabilities. One of the unique things I really liked and learned a lot about with Fountain was their trim tab system. The Levorcy trim tabs are amazing. You know, I've been using trim tabs for a while, and we've all used trim tabs, but these Levorcy trim tabs are stepped, just like the hull is. And I tell you, the amount that these trim tabs adjust to maneuver this boat is unbelievable. Now, most guys that you're used to using trim tabs, you have up and down, port, starboard. The Levorcy system, you can do both. You can operate both at the same time. I really love that feature of the boat. Again, Merc Veratos, digital throttle system, joystick, sky hook, all of the amenities. However, the boat still can cruise at 40 mile an hour, have the ability to go over 537 miles, and then top speed at 76. So it's not just the speed, it's just the overall use of the boat. Let's talk about the Garmins. Guys, 8600 series, I love the 8600 series. The all new auto guidance on these Garmins is amazing, especially down here in Southwest Florida. You can set your draft, you can set your bridge clearance, and I tell you, the boat will navigate and has the ability to keep you navigating safe waters. Keep in mind, guys, when you're coming in and out of passes, common sense goes a long way. Make sure you're staying in between the buoys and not relying 100% on your electronics. But again, Garmin systems, 8600, amazing. And somebody even honked because they like the Garmins as well. Now, let's talk about the sound of the boat. I tell you, the Fusion Apollo system right here, backed up with JL audio speaker systems, subwoofers. This boat will thump. I haven't got it thumped yet because I don't think a banjo thumps, but a banjo does sound really good on this boat, really loud. The Apollo sound system, I tell you, amazing. I think we could count all the speakers, Nick, but I don't have enough fingers and toes. We'll talk about the seats a little bit. You know, you have these bolstered seats, very nice, plush, comfortable, up, down, and again, attention to detail. If you're driving, you want to stand, your co-captain can put their feet right here to where it's not interfering with you driving. Again, guys, utilization of space. This whole helm area just flows so well together. It also has the Sure Shade that gives you a little bit of shade back towards the back. VHF radio, I could go on and on and on about the helm, but Nick, I tell you what, let's take a look at the transom of the boat, okay? All right, welcome to the cockpit, folks. The one thing we were talking about just a few minutes ago, if you look right up here, this gives you a better angle of the Sure Shade. If you want a little bit of extra shade out here on this fountain, this Sure Shade comes all the way back here, so your people sitting right here have nice shaded area. Again, folks, utilization of space. Tell you what, this nice seat right here, armrests on both sides, also has an option for a live well underneath if you'd like to do any type of fishing. More storage and bilge access down here. And I want to pay a little bit of attention to these seats back here too, Nick. How comfortable they are. So, you know, we're sitting here in the seats. I've got a cup holder here. If 3 people are sitting here, you've got plenty of room. And I promise you folks, if you're not driving the boat, this is the best seat in the house. Best seat in the house. Storage underneath here can double as a cooler. Now I want to talk about something that is really easy to do, and it's so important down here in the salt water. If you look right here, you got the Reverso flushing system. You plug your hose into that, hook it up, you hit start, and it flushes each individual motor, and you don't have to change the hoses. It just goes through the whole cycle. So basically, you push the button and you can get to cleaning the rest of the boat, have a beverage, coffee, Coke, adult beverage, whatever your choice is. Now that you can see the top view of these motors, again, 1,200 ponies on this, trip 400 Verados, again, top speed, 76 mile an hour, 418 gallons of fuel. If you want to cruise at 40 mile an hour, you have the ability to travel 537 miles. So you got the best of both worlds. You guys can come down here and check this boat out today, and we can have it in your backyard within a couple of days. All you got to do is stop and see us at Bonita Boat Center, South Tamiami Trail in Bonita Springs, or visit us at bonitaboatcenter.com. Thank you.